Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at NVDA, AMD, and Tesla. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, it's free, or click down here in the right-hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. All right, daily chart, 19 million, 1.04% up, or $1.71 on the day. Good day today, guys. I mean, good little run here. Stalled out at this pivot. Now we're going sideways, consolidation. Let's see if it goes sideways for another week or so and then pops. Earning is 8.817, so it is coming up. So watch out for that. 50-50 shot. If it goes up, I don't know, 180, 190, 200. If it goes down, you got the gap fill. Got the gap window, and then you got the gap fill down here with the 200 MA around 105, 108 area. But at this point, guys, nothing wrong. Above the MAs, strong stance, going sideways. Let's see what we get in the next couple days in this market. See if the 42 million stays with the SPY, or 32 million. The other day we had 27 million. If it stays complacent like that, these can go higher. If the markets tend to sell, which is a tall task these days on the light volume, then we'll possibly move down. But right now, guys, we're back above this little pivot high and going for the 168.50. If we crack through there, 170, 175, and then when we go into earnings, it's anybody's game, 50-50. But Netflix went off, that went up. Everyone's kind of banking, hey, Netflix is good, all the other ones got to be good too. So we'll see what's up next. That has good earnings, and we'll let to see it. It really doesn't mean anything, but everyone's getting hyped up. That has good earnings. That's got to have good earnings, stuff like that. So just be careful with NVIDIA. If if you took the trade around 100, just tighten that stop. You don't want to turn a great trade into a turd. Period. So. All right, AMD, daily chart. Same thing, guys. We did get back above the 20 MA, but man, 32 cents or 2.32% on the day. Still the same stuff, guys. Up, down, up, down. This time it came down, held the 20 MA, still down sideways in a slightly bearish position or a bearish pattern, but still in a bullish position above all the MAs. So 50-50 at this point, guys. You're right in this range for the 15 to 16. And then if it starts to slip, then you're looking at 11.20 to $9 or $10 or so. So you're right in the middle of this whole thing. If it does continue higher, 16.21, 17.78. Do I have anything else? And then like $20, stuff like that. If it goes lower, you're looking at the MAs, then the double bottom, and then possibly lower from there. Hard to say at this point. It's not really giving me a pattern, but this little slippage here sideways, that's slightly bearish. Again, bullish stance above the MA. So let's see what this thing does in the next couple of days, and then we'll look at it again. But earnings, guys, I believe it's on 7/25. I believe that's next week. So 50-50, guys. It's going to shoot to the moon, or it's going to drop like a rock, or maybe it'll just be a non-event where everyone just scratch their head. So they're counting on it. I know the bulls, they're loading the house trying to get this thing higher, but we'll see, guys. Been in this channel for a while. Let's see if we could break out or break down. Earnings will tell us the true story on AMD. But right now, guys, just if you're trading this stock, enjoy it. I mean, we move up $2, go down $3. Move up $3, move down $3. Nice channeling, nice trading. If you had the you-know-whats to take that trade every time. We had a position a long time ago right here. We shorted this one here. Took it off down in this area, and then we haven't done anything since. Maybe some intraday scalping, but no swing trades like that. Maybe some quick day trade in and out, but other than that, guys, I'd rather go long somewhere down in here and just ride it, because everyone buys the dip. It's just an easier trade. So I'm fighting some trades right now, and I really don't choose to fight anymore. Put it that way. All right, Tesla. Yeah, this light volume markets, it's pretty incredible, guys. Pretty incredible. All right, daily chart on Tesla, 3 days down. I mean, that was a beat down, bearish pattern below the MAs, trying to grind higher. Pretty good day today, 8.67, then $2.71 up. Hey, hats off to the bulls. Got to get back above the trend line. Got to get back above these MAs. Earning on this one is 8.2, so watch out for that. But the bottom line, guys, this could go to 400. This could go to 265, 250. Right now, we're in that middle range where anything's possible with this one. It is Tesla. Hard to say. I couldn't even guess at this point. Right now, looking a little bit weak. We'll see how this pattern sets up, or see what this gives us the next week or two going into the ER report. So just guys, if you're long, don't turn a good trade into a turd holding into earnings. I mean, even right here, if you were down from 250, you get here, you consolidate, you pop up to almost 400. Everyone, I mean, unbelievable. It's like, oh my gosh, it is going to 400, 425, and then all of a sudden slip. So, you know, on some news or whatever. So don't trust these stocks, especially if they're ripping up. Let me show you one more thing, and this is what they're all starting to look like, guys. This is the monthly chart. We have a nice red candle, but you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months straight up. Pretty good bullish consolidation, though. Let me tell you, this was in a chop zone for a long, since 2014. Got all the bulls on board here. Now they're kind of shaking them out, thinking, well, you know, is the car going to be that good or that bad? But I guess on 8-2, we're going to find out how good or bad it is. You know, earnings 50-50 shot. I've always said if I go into this, you know, I'm going to go in with a smaller position, and I will hedge puts or calls, which depending if I'm long or short, just a small, you know, couple hundred dollars worth, maybe 1 or 2 puts, buy them out of the money, somewhere up here, some, you know, maybe 20 bucks out, 20 bucks out. So if it goes down 20, you're doing pretty good. It goes up 20, you're doing even better. So it's a couple $100 risk. That's how I play it. Hedge that position. And hey, if you make money, you pull off that one, and then your shares, if you're short or long, then you start gaining money on that one as well. So take the bet, take the hedge, and try to get that trade out there, especially when you're swing trading, guys, like we do. We got a ton of positions out there. You got to hedge something. Unless you're in a half position, a quarter position, you just happen to start or just slowly adding, then you don't have to worry about it too much. So, all right, guys, but Tesla, a little bit weak, below the MAs, still above the 200, so still okay, but slightly weaker because you're below these guys. It's got to pop up here if you're bullish. If you're bearish, you just want to see more of this, and then possibly downside into earnings or upside into earnings. Again, 50-50 shot. All right, if you like these videos, go to StockBookie, sign up, it's free. Subscribe down here, guys. And once again, thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Have a great night. God bless. See you on the charts.